Well, thank you, Mr. Liu, for your participation and being part of the sponsors of this of the evento internacional de datos en Valencia 2025. We really thank you for all your collaboration all over this event and also all the things you are provide to the international data community. But today I would like to ask you, what is FMS? What is your company about? Yeah.
Sure. Well, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here and an honor to be invited to speak. So we're delighted to help with the data community, the access community in Spain and around Europe. So thank you so much for holding this event and including us. Um, FMS is my company. I started it 38 years ago. So we've been around for a while and we do data analysis. That's what we've done throughout history. For the last 25 plus years, we've been supporting Microsoft Access. And we are the world's leading provider of third-party tools for Microsoft Access. We have 12 products that are commercial. You can just buy them over the internet. And then you can purchase them and install them on your PC. And they range from the whole life cycle of Access development, from writing code, analyzing code, inheriting somebody else's code. So source code libraries, database documentation, database maintenance with our Total Visual Agent program, and statistical analysis with our Total Access Statistics product, email blast through our Total Access Emailer program, on and on. So we have a whole suite of products, about 50,000 customers around the world in over 100 countries. We really love the Access community.
Yeah, thank you so much. Can you tell me which is your favorite service you provide, or your most loved application you have developed all over this year?
Oh, that like choosing which child you love the most is, well, that's not fair.
It's a hard question.
But a lot of it is what we're doing to help customers. We have customers, they have data, and what we've always tried to do is to make sure they maximize the value of their data. So whether they need to do data entry, whether they need to analyze data, whether they need to import data, it's all very important that we can help people do that properly, make sure the data is accurate, and make sure they learn more about it. And so one of the products that we created almost 20 years now is our Sentinel Visualizer product, which is unrelated to Access. That's our .NET SQL Server application that is targeting a specific solution as opposed to a broad solution like we have for our Access products. Sentinel Visualizer is a data visualization product that looks at people, places, and events and looks for hidden relationships between them. And that's used in a lot of law enforcement, fraud cases. And we're delighted that we've been able to help organizations all around the world do that.
Oh, that's really interesting. I already see this application working on, and it's really interesting. And well, if you want to know more about this application, just look at the website of FMS and contact to the team of Liu Chen. It was a pleasure to have you here, and well, see you next time, hopefully.
Well,
Thank you so much. Enjoy the time.
I will. First time in Valencia. I love it.
That's really nice.